To set up Sony WH-1000XM5 with mobile application on Android device or iOS device, just start by opening Play Store or App Store, and you will have to download this application, Sony Sound Connect. When you download it on your phone, you will have to click to open. Right here, pick your region from this list. Then select this switcher, click Start. Click to agree. Tap agree and start using. Now click OK, accept all of these permissions that just start popping. And right now you have to be sure that you turn on Bluetooth on your phone. I can recommend you to switch this off and then switch this on after a few seconds. Click done, and now you will have to simply grab your headphones and you will have to use this button. This is the Bluetooth and this is the pairing and turn on button. So you will have to turn it on when your headphones are turned off and wait until it starts blinking quickly 2 times. Now you can release. So it will 2 times blinks and then disappear. Then you can just click next. And as you can see right here, we can already find them. If it is not working, you can simply tap to search from Bluetooth settings. So we can click next. Click to open Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device and select your Sony WH-1000XM5. Click to pair. Now just wait for connection and now go back into application. As you can see, here we are successfully connected, and now all we have to do is just to pair from this setup. So right now we can sign in if you want to get access into all functions of the Sound Connect application. So decide, in my case, I'm just gonna click later. Right here, you can restore data if you are connecting this device for the second time. I'm gonna just continue without restoring. Click next. There's the adaptive sound control. I'm not using this feature, so I'm gonna click later. Now the same with this one. Click next. And right now you are able to use 360 audio. So this is like spatial audio. But I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna click here, click to go to my device, and as you can see now we are connected. That's how we can actually set up this device with Sony application.